all of this. Oop, damn girl.
Take it slow.
Hey RuLeeDollz, it's your girl Ruriko here, and today my darling, we're back here in our video. Oh my god, if you're not subscribed and still here, girl, thank you so much. It's greatly appreciated. I love you. First I'm seeing you girls, seeing my face. Oh my god, where have you been? Welcome. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell because you won't be disappointed in the content I bring to you, I promise. Without further ado guys, today is a haul slash unboxing slash mystery box. Yes darling, I have not brought to you guys Certifeye. Okay, so I am bringing you the Certifeye mystery box, sweetie. So they brought out their mystery box and I was like, yes darling, let's go. They are a UK brand. They've got so much buzz around them because they've got so much good palettes and they are meant to be pigmented to the gods. I have never tried out Certifeye's palettes ever. I literally went and bought 3 of their palettes before I went and bought their mystery box, but I haven't bought them to you guys, so I will be bringing you all these palettes in 3 different videos and I will be reviewing them because girl, I won't show you the color story of these palettes because these palettes are just sickening. They look sickening, but are they pigmented? Are they worth your coins? Is it worth shipping from the UK to the USA for this palette? We're going to find out later on this week. So, with their mystery box, I did get a duplicate of one of the palettes I already bought, so this will be going into my 1k giveaway. I'm getting close guys, get me to 1k because believe me, I have a huge box of palettes and makeup. I buy a lot of makeup, so much makeup that you guys ain't even seen on my channel yet, and I will be bringing all the duplicates and all the stuff that I feel that is really good to you guys in my 1k giveaway. So if I review this palette and it's pigmented to the gods, just know that this will be in my 1k giveaway. Let's go. Swiftly moving on, this is the Certifeye mystery box. I haven't opened this box. I took off all of the wrapping and stuff, that's why I knew it came with a palette. So this set me back £70, but inside it's worth £135 from all of their stuff on the site. I have no idea what's in here. When you look at the mystery box, it doesn't say what you can expect or anything like that. It's literally a mystery, so you have to look on their site and think, oh, am I gonna get that, am I gonna get that? Because the palettes don't fit in the mystery box, that's why I was able to see that I got a palette, which is really good. I got one of their palette in a mystery box when this was going around on Instagram and it was going around on Twitter. A lot of people were asking, am I gonna get a palette, am I gonna get a palette, because that doesn't look like it can fit a palette, blah blah. It's nice to know that it was a palette. It was wrapped in like so much bubble wrap and so much like padding. They really made sure that this came to me looking sexy. I absolutely love the iridescent glow of the box. It is really pretty. It comes with a little bow there. Let's tally this up. The Tropical Wonders palette on their site is £30. That's nearly half of what I paid for this box. So let's continue. So I'm just gonna slide. Ooh, I don't want to break anything in here, so I'm just gonna slide it off. Ooh, honey. Okay, honey. Okay, I'm just gonna try and show you as best as I can without dropping anything. So when you open it, this is what you are greeted with. Yeah, this is my mystery box. Let's see what I got. Okay, so the first thing I see is this cute little gold box with a beautiful pink ribbon. It says Annie at the back. Okay, so it's branded. It says Certified there. Can you see that? Beautiful. And her name is Annie. I'm guessing lashes. Girl, the design of that is brilliant. The ribbon goes all the way through underneath the actual case, and then when you open it, the case and the top and the bottom is to get. Oh girl, these lashes look like heaven. Yes, Annie. Who is she? Her name is Annie. And then you got the ribbon. Yes, I love that. That is cute. So I have a palette, I have a pair of lashes. Let's continue. I see another pair of lashes here and her name is Sophia. I am shooketh. Okay, this one's a little bit stiff. Sophia don't want me to get inside. Oh honey, these lashes are divine. Sophia, hey Sophia, I see you. you gotta get on these eyes, girl. I'm feeling that. So I got another pair of lashes, and I'm happy with the lashes because I love fluffy, wispy lashes. I don't like them thinny type of throwaway. No, I like what I like. Okay, I have another pair of lashes, and I ain't mad. She is called Alia. I want to say Alia, but it's not Alia. It's A-L-I-A. I'm very bad at pronouncing, so don't come for me, sweetie. She is also gorgeous. I am feeling that fantasy. Let's see how much their lashes are so we can tally it up. Their lashes are all £16, and I got 3 of them. That's already £38 for 3 pairs of lashes, and then you have the £30 from the palette. So we're now in the 60s, darling. We are in the £60, and I paid 70 for the box, and we still got loads of little goodies in here. So the next thing I see is these eyelash curlers, and they are rose gold, my darling. Very cute. I like it. Why not? So that is that. And then we have 2 sponges. I use every type of sponge. I use £1 sponges, I use Primark sponges, Real Technique sponges, honey, I use Morphe sponges, honey. I use them all, so I use from everywhere. So this is a good treat for me because I always run out of sponges, because once they get really dirty, darling, or they start breaking away, you just need to throw them away because, you know, germs. This is cute. My favorite color is purple, so I'm living. Certifeye are very known for their glitters. People talk about their glitters a lot, and I'm seeing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I've got 3 big ones and 4 small ones, which are here, and I'm going to open them up and show you what they look like. Produced in the UK. You get 12.5 meter. You get 12.5 mils. Okay, so this is the glue. It smells very PVA gluey. Sometimes they make the glue stuff that you put down first so that the glitter can stick. So this is what this is. So they also have given me something for, you know, the application of the glitter that's in the mystery box, which is very thoughtful because a lot of people will just put the glitter in there and bada boom bada bing, you gotta find your own stuff. So let's move on. This is, I've read it already, cosmetic glitter. Oh honey, look at this. Oh yes, sweetie. Branded. Who is she? They seem like a very generic box. This was the same box that the glue was in, and it wasn't a loose glitter, even though it said it was a glue. So these don't have names that I can see. I'm guessing I would have to go on their website and find out, but this is number 1 of the glitters that I got. Let me open up a mini so that you can see what the mini looks like. This is 5 mils, and she is just beautiful, living her pink fantasy. And then in the UK, this is what I'm trying to say, I'm gonna try my hardest to bring you a lot more UK brands because we're popping over here. Everywhere's got their own thing going on, but the UK, don't sleep on the UK cosmetics, honey, because we got it going on. And then we have this silver cute iridescent. It's got like little glitter reflex of different colors. So I'm seeing greens and reds and all sorts in here, so that's beautiful. This is another 12.5 mil. And then we have a beautiful blue that I just want to get into straight away, sweetie. Are you seeing that, honey? Yes, honey. These are so cute, and they are glass bottles. They are not plastic. They are definitely glass bottles, so it's giving you that like witchy type of feel. I'm feeling that fantasy. And then I got a beautiful gold, honey. Oh yes, this is a very cute company. I'm in awe, like I really am. I love me some glitter. You guys already know I love me some glitter. Oh, this is a beautiful color. Ooh, look at her. She is so cute, guys. Oh, I'm living. I am living. I am obsessed. And then we have 2 more things in here. It says 1 and 2. I have no idea what they are. They look like little macaroons with the brand on it. I love the fact that everything is branded. This one says 1 and this one says 2. So I'm gonna open 1. Oh my god, it is full of glitter, guys. Oh, this is not packaged well, honey. This is terrible. It's like they did it on purpose. Hold on, I'm gonna try and fix this because this is glitter everywhere. Because this is not what you put this type of glitter in, sweetie. Oh honey, no. Like the glitter it's just a loose cap. Can you see that? I just twisted it open and it was just like bam everywhere. These are very cute, but they're not good for glitter, I have to say. I am so sorry, honey. This is cute. It needs to have a little something at the top of it so that it stays in place, because when you open it, it's just, honey, I'm sure it's one of them surprise things when you open it, so it's be If this is how they are for you to actually use, honey, let's continue. So I see this looks like a lippy or a pen or whatever. So let's open her up and see. Ooh, it's cruelty free. By the way, everything is cruelty free if you didn't know. It's lacking information, darling. It has all the information of what chemicals are in here, and it has cruelty free and how much you get and how long you should use it for, which is 12 months after opening it and using it. It doesn't have a name on here, it just has their brand. Ooh, it's like lipstick. And she is pigmented, sweetie. I'm guessing it's versatile. I'm guessing you can use it in your waterline and on your lips. But again, I would look on their site, which I didn't see no pens. I didn't see no pens on their site. So again, could be an incentive. Oh, there is two. Okay, so there's two pens, a brown one and a red one. So this is the brown one. So I also got two pens up in here. This is a very sickening box. What? And I'm still going. I see two palettes, two mini palettes. I've got this right here, and this says it is the Fine and Shine Duo. So I'm gonna open this up for you guys so that you can see what this is. Oh honey. Ooh, so I'm guessing this is a liquid bronze. I just put my hands on here. It's very liquidy, so I'm guessing it's a Define. So this is a contour palette, very creamy consistency, feeling that fantasy, very beautiful. I can't even lie, doesn't have any type of smell. And then you have the highlight. I'm just gonna rub my finger across. Don't sleep on the UK, sweetie. What? Honey, yes darling. Certifeye. Oh, what? I can do it again. It is that pigmented. I was able to do it again. Yes honey, this is cute. Oh, okay, I see you. Certifeye. And this is the last thing in here. Sorry, it's got all the glitter and stuff over it, and I got glitter all over me. That was so cute. This is called the Majestic palette. I don't have this one. As you can see, I showed you the ones that I had. This is the Majestic palette. Oh, she cute. And then you get another palette in here. Another palette in here. This must be like the best mystery box I've ever gotten in my life. So just to recap, we got two palettes, not one but two. I did say I was not going to show you the color story of the Tropical Wonders palette, but I just have to, so you know what you're getting, so that you just know what you're getting. This is the Tropical Wonders palette. Breathe it in, sweetie. In this £70 mystery box, I got this palette. I got this cute palette here. I also got a contour and highlighter palette. So I got these three palettes. These three palettes alone is worth the coin. But not only did I get that, I got a barrage of glitters and glitter glue. I then got a whole load of surprise with this glitter here, sweet. They surprised me with that. I got two universal pens, I'm guessing, because it doesn't say. So lip pens and eye pens. I got three of their beautiful eyelashes in beautiful components. I then got two of their beauty blenders, and then I got an eyelash curler, all for £70. I'm just, yes, I am feeling this. This is sickening. All of this yumminess for £70. I am not mad at it. Is it worth your money? Hell yeah, it's worth your money. It is beautiful. Obviously you'll probably get different lashes and different glitters and a probably different palette because they have many. This is cool. I would buy another one for a friend. This is a really cool gift to give to somebody who is starting out in makeup or wanting to branch out and be a little bit more adventurous with the color schemes and the glitters and the stuff like that. It is absolutely phenomenal. I believe that there's more than £135 in here. They said it's £135, but with just the palettes alone, it's already hitting the 70-80 mark. Then you add on the lashes and the beauty blenders, because the beauty blenders, I think it's like £8.50 for the beauty blenders and stuff like that. Girl, yes, don't sleep on the UK, sweetie. Don't sleep on the UK, sweetie. What? I am in awe of this. I will be bringing you a video soon trying out my mystery box goodies from Certifeye, sweetie. I am feeling this fantasy. Absolutely well done to the ladies that own this company. I'm just shocked. I'm shooketh. I'm really shocked. Remember, this palette will be going into my 1K giveaway, so look out for that. If you are subscribed to me, look out for that. If you're not subscribed to me, hit the subscribe button, honey, because it's greatly appreciated. And yes, this has been a Certifeye mystery box unboxing, sweetie. I have had so much fun and I'm shocked, and I cannot wait to bring you these products in another video. So it's been your girl Ruriko Yamazaki here. Just know that you're loved, all that anybody needs, my darling, and I'll catch you, yes you, the one that came to the end of the video, 100 girl, I'll catch you, my honey bunny, on another video. Yeah.